Today, join me as I visit Cebu Ocean Park as I'll enjoy my first ever underwater dining experience. Yes guys, here in Cebu, we are so lucky because the only underwater dining experience in the Philippines is happening here at Cebu Ocean Park. After being welcomed by a refreshing drink, you will be welcomed with the marine life as you will be walking through the oceanarium before you will experience a very special dinner. So yes, you will have an exclusive after hours access to the oceanarium so wala kay daghang tao, kamura gyud maglakaw-lakaw, and it's nice also to see the oceanarium during nighttime. And this unique dining experience only happens every weekends from Friday, Saturday, and Sundays and starts at 6 p.m. and ends at 9 p.m. And reservations are strongly encouraged. O before nimo ma-enjoy ang 3-course Chef's Choice Sustainable Set menu, naasay pa Mermaid Show. So isn't this amazing? Naapay pa show, nakay dinner, napaka-experience sa oceanarium, and this is only for 1,000 pesos. For the starter, we have a signature grazing platter of edamame hummus, smoked baba ganoush, chicken liver pate, Moroccan carrot, and marinated olives, served with flatbread and lavouche. And for the main, I am having the sous-vide octopus a la Siciliana with egg yolk dashi vinaigrette, earwood mushrooms, and caviar. And for the dessert, we are having the passion fruit and lemon core tart, in which it is like an orange olive cake topped with lovely candied citrus and orange cored mousse. So to experience this, book a seat at www.opaquadining.com. But then again guys, always remember to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!